Today's topic for discussion is human diseases caused by fungi. The videos are made only to create the awareness about cleanliness among human race, and very important is that awareness about good health is very important for each and every person of the world. Cleanliness can avoid several types of diseases, and it is the formula for longevity. And today we are going to discuss the diseases which are caused by fungal flora which is present in the environment. Let us see the blastomycosis. It is one of the disease which is caused by a fungus. The name of the fungus which causes blastomycosis disease, it is Blastomyces dermatidis. This is the pathogenic organism. It is a fungus. See the photograph, and it is a very serious and destructive disease of human beings which is caused by fungi. The symptoms, when the pathogen enters into the host or interaction of pathogen takes place with host tissue, it causes fever, chills and drenching sweats, and sometimes causes chest pain. These are the symptoms. And it is very important symptom one more, it is that there is difficulty in breathing and cough. An infection may spread to skin, bones, reproductive parts and urinary tracts, and also to the tissue covering the brain. And it causes swelling and pain of the affected region. It is dangerous. The spores of blastomyces fungus are very common in air. The spores inhaled by the person with, especially the spores initially enters into the lungs of human beings. From the lungs infection, inside the lungs, the infection spread, the spore germinate and produces hyphae, and that spread to the other part of the body, and even the patches on the skin are seen. Fungus is translocated from lungs to other parts through blood stream. Okay, the disease blastomycosis is very common to those persons having AIDS or very weak immune system. The disease also spread to bones. Skin infection by blastomyces fungus showed small raised warty patches. Slightly raised patches are formed on the skin, and tissue over infected bones get swelled. Abscesses are formed on skin which contain pus. This is all about blastomycosis type of disease. It is a fungal disease. Next, thrush is one more fungal disease of human beings, and it is caused by a candida. In this case, the important symptoms which are caused by this fungus in human beings, that is, oral thrush is caused by a fungus, and the fungus grows superficially on the layer of the tongue. According to doctors, candida is normally occur in the mouth, but sometimes it causes disease which is called thrush. A creamy white lesions develop on the side of the cheeks. The creamy white lesions that consist of hyphal threads, that consist of mycelium or hyphal threads, thallus of the fungus. Okay, and on the tongue also the symptoms are very clear. The disease can occur in human beings of all the age group, but more commonly observed in babies and older persons having weak immunity. In healthy energetic person, the oral thrush is a minor problem. It can be cured but in babies and older person it causes very serious problem. The lesions developed to the inner cheeks are slightly raised, and slight bleeding occurs from the lesions. Lesions means spots. When the lesions get rubbed, blood comes out from the lesion. Lesion means it is a spot, okay, which is caused by a fungus. And redness and burning of the skin affected area is very common symptom. Hence, cleanliness is very essential to avoid all such fungal infections. Okay, let us see next disease which is caused by fungal pathogen in human beings. Name of the disease is moniliasis. Moniliasis, it is again a fungal disease of human beings. The infection especially occur in mouth and throat, which is caused by a fungus which is known as Moniliae. It is a very common fungus. And now this fungus is called Candida albicans. The disease also known as candidiasis. Okay, the fungus produces white colored patches in the mouth, on the tongue and other parts of the body. The disease is very destructive and the disease is very common in babies and older persons, but it has reported that it can affect human beings at any stage of age group. If we leave unclean, several times we use clothes without washing. One bed sheet is mostly used by people for several weeks. Dusty living place, self uncleanliness, all these factors responsible to get infected by fungi. Because fungi are present everywhere, to avoid fungal infection, we must be aware of the connection of cleanliness with good health. Okay, and this is one of the again serious disease. Next slide. This is a disease, cryptococcosis. It is also a fungal disease of human beings and it is a pulmonary disease. It is caused by a fungus which is known as Cryptococcus neoformans. This is the name of the pathogen. It is a soil-borne fungus and in the home dust it is very common, and it causes symptoms like pneumonia and pneumonia, and also it causes skin and bone disease. And it is a cosmopolitan disease because it occurs throughout the world, and there are about 50 species of chlorococcus, but only few of them causes diseases. One of the source of this fungus is dried pigeon feces. The disease may spread to brain, causing the serious problem, that is meningoencephalitis type of disease. And it has also reported that the fungus also occurs in bird feces. It can easily infect the immunocompromised people. Okay, next slide. One more disease of human beings let us discuss, and which is caused by a fungus, and the name of the disease is mucormycosis. It is one of the fungal disease and it is caused by the fungus, and the symptoms which are produced by the fungus, they are fever, body pain, cough, and can destroy structure of the face as shown in the photograph. And it is caused by a fungus which is known as mucor. This mucor, it is moldy fungus which produces numerous sporangia. The fungus enters into the body through respiratory system or through injuries or wounds. However, once established, the fungus can rapidly multiply in blood vessels and blood vessel walls, and where it effectively reduces supply of the blood to tissue. This is a very serious and destructive disease, and this is a fungal disease of human beings. Okay, next. Thank you very much. Be clean, be safe.